Good morning guys, in front of me is iPad Air from 2025 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. At first open the settings, then find and select apps. Now locate Safari and scroll down. Here you'll notice clear history and website data. Just mark it. And if you truly want to do it, just customize the time frame so you can remove history from past hour, day, 2 days, or all time. Let me choose all history. And if you do have some tabs open, you can click here to close all apps as well. But as you can see, in my case, that's not an option because I do not have any tab open. And once it is customized, just mark clear history. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.